In this video, I will show you how I transfer a ChatGPT conversation from one account to another using 3 simple methods to ensure I never lose track of my important work or research. I'm starting right here on my main account, and to begin, I'll find the specific conversation I want to move in my sidebar and open it up to view the full history. For the first method, which is the fastest way to share the entire chat, I'll move my cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the share icon. From the pop-up window, I'll click Copy Link to create a unique public URL. This link is incredibly useful because I can simply open it in a new tab while logged into my second account, allowing me to view and even continue the conversation thread instantly. If I want a permanent offline backup for my archives, I prefer the second method. I'll right-click anywhere on the page and select the Print option from the context menu. In the Print Settings window, I'll make sure the destination is set to Save as PDF, and then click the Save button to download the entire formatted conversation directly to my computer. Finally, if I actually want to continue the active dialogue on my other account, I'll use the third method. I'll highlight the specific sections of text that contain the most important context and copy them to my clipboard. Then, I'll switch over to my second ChatGPT account in a new tab and paste that text directly into the prompt box. Once I hit Enter, the AI processes that previous context and generates a fresh response, allowing me to pick up exactly where I left off without missing a beat. These methods make it incredibly easy to manage my AI projects across different accounts or share them with colleagues. If you found this walkthrough helpful for organizing your AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.